Today, I'll walk you through how to share Google Docs and control editing access even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your documents effectively so you can collaborate seamlessly with others. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine or directly visiting the Google Docs website. This is your starting point for creating and sharing documents. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click on the option to create a blank document. This is where your collaboration journey begins. A blank document will open, ready for you to fill in your content. Now, look for the Share button located in the upper right corner of your screen. This button is crucial as it allows you to manage who can view or edit your document. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Share, you may see a prompt asking you to skip or set up sharing options. If prompted, go ahead and click on Skip. This will take you directly to the sharing settings without any unnecessary steps. Next, you will see an option to copy link. Click on this to generate a shareable link for your document. This link will allow others to access your document based on the permissions you set. Finally, click on Done to finalize your sharing settings. Congratulations! You've successfully shared your Google Doc and controlled the editing access. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, but the core functionalities remain the same. To recap, we started by accessing Google Docs, created a blank document, clicked on Share, skipped unnecessary prompts, copied the shareable link, and then clicked Done. Now you can easily share your documents with colleagues, friends, or anyone you want to collaborate with. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.